Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Fire HD8 tablet with a Bluetooth keyboard with case. Okay, for example, if you have only Bluetooth keyboard, you can just use the same method. Okay, first of all, you need to go to the setting on your Fire HD. The setting will be take place here. And after that, go to Bluetooth device, turn your Fire HD8 Bluetooth on. After that, turn on your Bluetooth keyboard and press connect to show up your Bluetooth. And now you will see the I just press pair new device, available device. Okay, after you found your Bluetooth keyboard, just select on it, and now it's pairing, and press pair, and now you already connect with your Bluetooth keyboard. And after that, I just input it to the keyboard case. Okay, so let's try to do some search. Hello. Okay, just a little bit small. Here is the keyboard. Okay, I hope you can see. And then press backspace. Okay, and that's it. That is how you can connect a Bluetooth keyboard to your Amazon Fire HD8 tablet. And now, thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.